So that'll be on camera, that. Now then everybody, I hope everybody's doing alright. Welcome back to the channel. Yesterday was my birthday, turned the big 4-0. Donna went out, she bought me a new Schuberth Sport S2 helmet. I was going to do an unboxing video on it, but it didn't quite go to plan, nor did the attaching the Senna, my Senna headset inners into the helmet. Stick around and I'll show you why. Right, so yesterday was going according to plan. Did the unboxing thing as you do. Took the helmet out of the box. Went through everything what you got. So you got the helmet. Nice helmet bag. And nice booklet which contains your warranty. Quite good actually, because these helmets come with a 5-year warranty. So that's pretty good. Nothing else in the box, just an empty box. So yeah, went through it all as you do. I'll show you what happened. Right, so there you go. I think it looks absolutely mint. The helmet. Great design. Now the price tag on these helmets new, when they first come out, well they had the price tag on at 499 quid, which it's a premium helmet you expect to pay, and one of the reasons why I went for this type of helmet is because it's supposed to be one of the quietest helmets on the market. It's got the crown vents and the vents at the back. Let the air escape down there, and then it's got the normal front vent as well there. Everything everything were going to plan until I decided to fit me headset, and this is what I found. So the windsock that attaches to the bottom of the helmet just comes out as normal. Not Senna, Cardo have teamed up with Schuberth I think, and they've designed a Bluetooth device what replaces that, and that just fits in there, so that comes off as standard. And then as you do, unclip the cheek pads, because these are supposed to be removable for washing purposes, so they're supposed to just come out as standard anyway. So what I did, just pull them out as you would, and as you can see the little tabs there what keep them in place, and then inside the helmet, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not, but what the tabs click into place, there ain't none. No tabs. So all this will just placed in there. Like that, just pushed in. So that has come from factory like that. So which is pretty disgusting really. I know I understand that things do happen and nobody's perfect, but for that, a premium helmet, and with it being Schuberth as well, you'd expect better, a lot better. Now I've bagged these up. Put them in a little bag. Now these are the ones what I found loose inside the helmet. Now there is ones what are missing. So this little white tab is supposed to go inside behind the toughened polystyrene stuff behind there, and these red tabs, they're like little tie wraps on end, are supposed to feed into there, and that's what stops these from coming out. when you take the cheek pad covers off, and these were just all loose. I mean, so yeah, you'd expect better, really. So I can safely say this will be going back to the shop. I'm not going to say what shop I purchased it from at this moment in time, but safely to say they have seen the images, the email. I've emailed the pictures of, you know, what's wrong, and they've just basically said bring it back into store and we'll exchange it for another one, which you can't grumble at that, and you would expect them to do that anyway. But guys, if you, I mean, I only come across this because I was fitting my Bluetooth headset. So if I didn't have a Bluetooth headset, I would have just worn this as normal, and obviously I would have only found out if the cheek pads would have worked the way loose, or I would have taken the cheek pads out to wash them. So just make sure you check inside your helmet, because that is just, it's wrong on so many levels. You just wouldn't expect that at all. Yeah, so you know, I was on YouTube trying to find a video regarding how to fit, or tips on how to fit the center headset to this particular helmet, but come up stumps, couldn't find any. So that's the reason why we're doing a video, because them kind of videos, they help people out. They've helped me out on numerous occasions, so they are good for that. But for this, just a short video really. So this is the Schuberth S2 Sport Rush Grey helmet. They do other colours, but this is the colour I wanted because it kind of matches my bike. I normally go for just a plain black helmet, but I get a little bit bored. I just wanted a little bit more colour, a bit more jazz. So that's the reason why I went for this one. So the shop, they have said that they have got some more in stock, and they're going to send me another one straight out. So yeah, so just a short video on the Schuberth S2 Sport helmet. So thank you for sticking around. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe.